Hey Tracie's Place fam. Today I am making a shrimp, rice, and veggie dish. It's very quick, very easy. This is from Sam's, and this is a steamable broccoli florette packet. And you just put it in the microwave and steam it. So this is for 5 minutes, this side up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. While the broccoli is going, I have about 3 to 4 stalks of carrots. So I just roughly chop these up in chunks. I'm going to slice them down thinner later on after they cook. But I just put them in my air fryer this time. And so I'm going to put these in for 10 minutes and see how they come out. So I'm going to put them in for 10 minutes. And I'm going to do 370. So here are basically the air fried carrots. I almost want to say roasted because they taste roasted. They are very good. It brings out like the natural sweetness in them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these smaller and then I'll let you see in a second. Here are the carrots sliced up. They're still not quite tender enough, so I'm going to put them in with the shrimp at the end of the shrimp cooking, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So in just about I'd say a tablespoon and a half or so of extra virgin olive oil. I put that in here with 1 tablespoon of butter and just a little bit of sea salt. I would say 1/4 of a teaspoon. A little bit of onion powder, a little sprinkling of the black peppercorn and Cajun seasoning, and just microwave that because this was cold, and I just melted it basically for like 16 seconds or so. And I put that over raw shrimp that's already deveined and cleaned and everything, and I just put that over that. It's kind of solidified back a little bit now, but I'm about to put that into the air fryer for, I'm going to try 7 minutes first and see how that comes out. I don't want to overdo them. I'm going to do about 7 minutes on, I'm going to do 370. So it's been 5 minutes. I made sure to check it sooner. It's been 5 minutes and I flipped them over. So I'm going to go ahead and pop them back in for about 2 more minutes. And they are ready. I'm going to go ahead and toss them into the scampi sauce that I made, which is melted butter, salt, pepper, a little bit of the Cajun seasoning, and onion powder. And I also put in there a little bit of olive oil and Obey seasoning, and I think that was it. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss it in there. Oh, and crushed garlic. I also added crushed garlic in there. So I'm gonna toss it and show you what it looks like. So here's the sauce right here. Just have it in a Tupperware bowl. I'm gonna add the shrimp and toss. So I'm gonna go ahead, and that's my son practicing his saxophone, so I couldn't edit that out. So anyway, this is the shrimp being tossed into the scampi sauce and get it all coated. And now I'm going to put the carrots right back into the air fryer. I'm going to put these back in for about 5 minutes, and I didn't wash the air fryer out or anything because this is all going in one dish. So this is what the shrimp was cooked in. So this is going in for 5 minutes to tenderize. So here I chopped up some cilantro on the plate. This would be for garnish. And then here we have the sauces that we will be using to top off the dish. I have teriyaki marinating sauce. That's my favorite. So I mix mine with the teriyaki and the General Tso's Asian sauce. So that's what you see mixed up right here. And then we have sweet and sour sauce also. Here's the microwavable rice that I already made. So I'm just putting it into the bowl. And I'm going to show you what everything looks like assembled. And here it is all assembled. And I'm going to put the sauce over mine. And there you go. Quick and simple.